How to log into your Claude AI account. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Claude AI account. First thing you want to do is open any web browser you have available, and on the search bar you want to search for Claude AI. Once you search for it, you can open the very first link. This is the official website of Claude AI. And here you will have to first log into your profile. So in order to do that, if you have previously used your email, you can directly continue with your email, or if you have used your Google account, you can do that. So I'm just gonna tap on my Google account and select my account from here. Once I do this, it should log me in from here. So as you can see, it's loading right now. In order to verify, you need to add your phone number, but you can use a different email. So once you have entered your email address, it will send the verification code to your email. So you just want to check your email for your verification code. So I'm just going to enter my code right here. And then once you enter your code, you can click on verify email address. Now it will take you to this page where you have to enter your phone number, and you can confirm it. Once you enter your phone number and confirm that you are 18 or older, then you can send the verification code to your number and you should be able to sign in easily. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.